Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we will do question answers of class 3 English chapter 3 The Clever Minister. So let us begin the question answers. Write T for true and F for false statements. What will we do? We will write T for true and F for false. So first one is the king was thirsty. The king was thirsty? Yes. So it is true. So we will write here T. Okay. Next is the minister was familiar with the forest. Is it true or false? Minister was familiar or he was not familiar? He was not familiar. He don't know about the forest. So this statement is false. So we will write F here. The minister fed sugar to the deer. Is it true or false? Minister fed sugar or salt? Salt. So this statement is false. So what will we write? F. Fourth one is the king got water. At the end of the story, the king got water? Yes. So we will write here T means true. Okay students. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1 is what was the name of the king? And the answer is the name of the king was Somavarma. Okay students. Question number 2. Whose language did the king and his minister not know? And the answer is the king and his minister did not know the language of deer. Okay. Next question. Whom did the minister set free? And the answer is the minister set the deer free. Next is where did the deer go? And the answer is the deer went to drink water because he was feeling thirsty after eating salt. Okay students. Now this activity. Name 2 words on each petal which you find in the forest. Petal means this one. जो पत्तियां होती हैं पंखुड़ियां उन पे हमको लिखना है what do you find in the forest? Trees, birds, animals, flowers. So let us do it. I don't have so much space here, so I can write here. Okay students. Trees. Which trees can you find in forest? First is bamboo tree. So I am writing here bamboo. And another tree, banyan tree. And now birds. Which birds can you find in forest? You can write here also. First one is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. And second is crow. Okay students. I am also writing here peacock and crow. We can find them in forest. Next is animals. Which animals do you find in forest? Elephant. Elephant and lion. Okay. Next is flowers. What flowers do you find in forest? Lily, or any other? Rose or marigold. We can found these in forest also. Okay students, understand it? Now next question. Make new words by adding the word every given in the center to the words given in the circle. What we will do? A circle is given here and we have to add word every to these words. Every is written here and we have to write it in each of the block. See, body, B-O-D-Y, body. When we will add it, it becomes everybody. So, what do we write here? E-V-E-R-Y, everybody. Now, we will add every to this word, day. So, it will become every day. Okay, students. Now, we will add every to month. So, it will become every month. Now, next is we can write it in black ink. Every month. Next is week. Now, we will add every to it. Every week. Next is thing. We will write every here. Everything. Everything. Next, where. So, we will write here everywhere. Okay students, now it become everybody, every day, everywhere, everything, every week, every month. It is not visible, so I am writing it again. Got it? Okay, let's go to next question. Now, break the following words into two meaningful words. One word has been done for you. What we will do? Inside, in, side. In is written here, side is written here. These words are combination of two words. एक word में two words हैं. What we will do? We will break them. हम उनको break करेंगे और दोनों words को separately लिखेंगे. Okay students, understand it? So let's start it. Sunlight. We will break it into sun and light. So we will write here sun and light. Next is outside. Now we will write here out and side, outside. Next, lunch box. Now we will write lunch and box. Then bookshelf. How we will write it? Book and shelf, bookshelf. Next is roommate. So we will write room and mate separately. Room and mate. Okay students, some more words are there. Let us write toothbrush, tooth and brush. We will write here tooth and brush here, toothbrush. Next is nail cutter. Now we will write nail here and cutter here. Then tube light. What we will write? Tube here and light here. Then next is bathroom. We will write bath here and room here. Okay students, understand it? Now the words with ly ending are usually known as adverbs. Change the words given in brackets by adding ly to them. जिन words में हम ly add कर देते हैं वो adverbs हो जाते हैं. Now what we will do? Change the words. These bracket में जो words दिए गए हैं, what we will do? We will add ly to them and then write it. Okay students, let us do it. Dash sudden. The minister noticed a flock of deer. Sudden is given here and we will add ly to it. So it will become suddenly. So we will write here suddenly. SUDDENLY. Suddenly the minister noticed a flock of deer. Next is the new shoes are dash made and word given here is nice. What we will do? We will add ly to it and write nicely. The new shoes are nicely made. Next is he is dash smart. Word is real. We will add ly to it and it will become really. He is really smart. Next, let us sing dash. Word is soft. We will add ly to it. Softly. Let us sing softly. Okay students? Now read the following sentences. The deer will show us water. We don't know their language. Now read it again. The deer will show us water, but we don't know their language. We have combined both the sentences by using but. दो sentences को हमने but word use करके combine कर दिया है. Okay students? Now join the following sentences using but as done above. जैसे उनको join किया था ऐसे ही इन दोनों sentences को भी join करेंगे with using word but. Let us do it. Aruna likes apples. Ramakant likes oranges. Now we will join these two sentences using but. How? Let us see. Aruna likes apples. But Ramakant likes oranges. Now we have joined both the sentences. We will write A and R capital. Okay students? Now see second. Rahim drives a car. Sujan drives a bike. What we will do? Rahim drives a car, but Sujan drives a bike. Okay. Now we have joined both the sentences by using but. Now we will join these two sentences. Rahul watches a film. Kalam reads a newspaper. Now we will combine these two sentences. Rahul watches a film, but Kalam reads a newspaper. Rahul watches a film, but Kalam reads a newspaper. Okay, students? Now you must have heard the following song. Recite the song in groups and later recite yourself. See, it is the scene of rain. What was the song? Indra Raja pani de, Gurdani de. Enjoy the song with your friends in your mother tongue. Now what we will do? Describe the scene of rain in your village or city. Now we will describe the scene of a rain or rainy day. The rainy season comes in June and lasts for 3-4 months. The sun appeared in the sky only for a short time in rainy season. The sky was covered with thick clouds on a rainy day. It started raining heavily. A strong wind was blowing. People started running. Some of them stood under a big tree for shelter. Children were seen playing in the rain. Children enjoy the rain. Women closed doors and windows to protect their houses from rain. Okay, students, this was the scene of a rainy day. Now look at the pictures given below. Write their names choosing from the box. Here some pictures are given and we have to write its name. Names are given here: well, river, pond, stream, lake, tube well, taka and hand pump. Identify the pictures and write the names. See, what is this? This is lake. So we will write here lake. And what is this? This is hand pump. So we will write here hand pump. Okay, students? Now see, what is this? This is tube well. So we will write here tube well. And what is this? This is taka ya tanka. Okay, and what is this? This is a well. What do we say it in Hindi? Kuan. And what is this? This is a river. We will write here river. And what is this? This is a pond. So we will write here pond. And what is this? This is stream. S-T-R-E-A-M, dhara, stream. Okay, students? Now you can do it. Okay, let's go ahead. Draw a picture of a boat and color it. You have to draw a picture of a boat and color it. It may be of your choice. Now, what do you see in the picture given below? Write 5 sentences about the following picture. What do you see in this picture? It is raining and water is collected at roof and it is connected to a container or well or anything else. So, this system is called rainwater harvesting. What do we do in this? We store rainwater in it. रेन वाटर को हम वेस्ट नहीं करते, उसको स्टोर कर लेते हैं, उसको हम आगे यूज़ करते हैं. सो लेट अस राइट सम सेंटेंसेस अबाउट इट. The clouds are thundering and it is raining heavily as we see in the picture. There is rainwater harvesting system. Rainwater harvesting means collection of rainwater and to store it. Rainwater is carried to the container by a पाइप. पाइप के थ्रू किसी भी कंटेनर में, किसी वेल में हम उसको कनेक्ट कर देते हैं. द स्टोर्ड वाटर इज़ यूज्ड फॉर वाटरिंग प्लांट्स एंड इरिगेशन. जो वाटर हमने स्टोर किया है हम उसको किसी भी यूज़ में ले सकते हैं, इरिगेशन में या वाटरिंग प्लांट्स. Okay students, now you understand about rainwater harvesting system. Students, these were the question answers of your chapter 3, the clever minister. Do all the question answers in your English notebook. Hope you all understand it. Thank you and have a good day.